My name is Evgeny, and I'm a JavaScript developer. And last 6 years, I've been really into single-page applications development. And today, I will talk about the must-have features for a modern single-page application and my way to start a new React project with all these features so quickly. So, at first, let's talk about the feature related to developers, the file structure. I believe all of you faced the situation. You joined the long-standing project, you clone the repository, you install dependencies, and you start to sorting out the code. And then you open the components folder. Do you feel it? It's fear. This folder is endless. Even here, not enough space to see all components. But you're a professional, and you start to investigate how the components relate to each other, and they're related like this. But many projects live this way, but this brings the following problems. Components relations are unobvious. The development speed slows down at the same rate as the components folder grows. Developers become feature owners, and departure of one developer can hurt the team. And also, the speed of new developers onboarding increases. To avoid such problems in new projects, I use the following project structure. Globally, our app doesn't consist of routers, components, etc. On the app level, our project consists of view wrapped by global store provider. And that's it. On store level, you can use whichever state management tool you want. Let's check the view layer. The view has the entry point that describes what the view consists of. And the view consists of routes wrapped by error boundary component and global context providers like SIEM or network status. And only then, router import pages and pages import components. And here we go again, components folder. Once I've tried, I always use the atomic design concept for component structure. There are 3 types of components. Atom is the smallest one, like button or title. Molecules consist of atoms and implement business logic, but can't affect the global state. And organism is a combination of atoms, molecules that can affect the global store, but remain independent. An example of an organism is a shopping cart. An example of molecule is a product item in a shopping cart. So now our view relations look like that. That's much better. The structure is really easy to navigate and to work with. The second feature is code splitting. I use the lazy imports for the pages, and I wrote the lazy route component for a very basic implementation of a skeleton, which shows while the chunk is loaded. The third point is the internationalization. I use the I18 package that gives us few benefits. There are no hard-coded strings in the layout, and we can automatically show the application on the user's browser language. The fourth point is a theme. I used the React context and common dark and light selectors, which are concatenated depending on the selected theme. And theme provider implements the automatic color scheme switching according to the color in the browser. One more tool here is a service worker. Service worker, I use the workbox libraries that Google recommends to create workers, and having a worker gives us the really great possibilities. The application can work without the internet. We are able to manage all caches of our resources and requests, and guaranteed to reset the cache after the new version is deployed. And thanks to the worker, we can implement the notifications that will be shown when the internet goes down. So the user with network issues won't play dinosaur game, but will be able to use our application even without the internet, and will be warned about the network interruptions. And all these features I've packed into Yes.js React App boilerplate, so I can use the only one command, and all these features are already implemented in my new React project. If you are interested, you can visit the yes.js.org page and check the design theme, try a few features, and generally use the command to get it. Feel free to chat with me or create the issue in the repo if you have an idea how to make the boilerplate better. And that's it. Thank you.
Congratulations. Congratulations. This was a lightning talk, so no questions. However, I will share this link also on Warsaw.js Slack on our general channel. So thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.